In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Capital One shopping account. First of all, open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link capitaloneshopping.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Capital One Shopping. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, first of all, click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of Capital One. If you already have the account, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to start creating the Capital One shopping account for yourself. Right now, Capital One is not available in all the regions. If you're trying to access it from the US, you'll be able to create the account. For other reasons, it is not available. So what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts in order to enter your email address. Provide the email address with which you would like to create the account and agree to the terms and policy. After you do that, what you have to do is simply check your email for a verification link. Click on that link, verify now, and your account will be verified. After you do that, your account will be created and you'll be able to use the Capital One shopping account. So that is how you create Capital One shopping account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.